Hey guys, welcome to lesson 37. We got another 30 words and you have 30 questions here. So please answer them. Every time, click on the spacebar and just give me an answer. Cold. How do you usually cope with the cold? Do you have any home remedies? Story. What's the best story you've ever heard or read? Wardrobe. How would you describe your wardrobe? Is it more casual or formal? Vehicle. What's your favorite type of vehicle and why? Depend. Have you ever had someone depend on you in a significant way? How did it feel? Much. How much time do you spend on your hobbies each week? Accompany somebody. Have you ever accompanied someone on an important journey? How was the experience? Boy. Do you think boys and girls should be raised differently? Why or why not? Cross. How do you feel when you see someone cross a finish line in a race? Enroll. Do you think enrolling in higher education is still important today? Mother. What's the best piece of advice your mother ever gave you? Reference. How important are references when applying for a job or a position? Son. If you have a son. Or imagine, if you did, what values would you want to instill in him? Bed. What's your favorite bedtime routine? Hungry. Have you ever been so hungry that you couldn't focus on anything else? Asleep. Fall asleep. What helps you to stay asleep through the night? Citizen. What responsibilities do you think come with being a good citizen? Influence. Have you ever tried to positively influence someone and how did it go? Lesson. What's the most valuable lesson you've learned in life so far? Pavement. Do you prefer walking on the pavement or taking a scenic route through nature? Sure. How do you know when you are sure about a big decision? Temporary. Have you ever taken a temporary job that led to something permanent? Width. Have you ever noticed how the width of streets can affect traffic flow? Leg. What's your favorite leg workout or exercise? Argue. Argument. Do you think it's possible to argue without damaging a relationship? Complicate. Complication. Have you ever tried to simplify something only to have it become more complicated? Paint. Do you find painting to be a relaxing or stressful activity? Tell, told, told. What's the most interesting story someone has ever told you? Dull. What do you do to brighten up a dull day? Element. Do you think the element of surprise is important in life, and why or why not? That's all for today. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.